Welcome to your dream home. This captivating 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house has transformed remarkably, emerging as a modern, comfortable home. Step inside to discover a thoughtfully designed split floor plan that seamlessly integrates formal living and dining areas, complemented by a cozy family room. The rejuvenated interior features new tile flooring and new interior paint, representing a sleek and modern ambience that sets the entire home's style. The kitchen is spacious and bright and has stainless steel appliances. The sleek kitchen design makes it a delightful space for home cooks to craft fantastic meals. The open floor plan ensures ample space for entertaining, creating a seamless flow between the kitchen, family room, patio, dining, and living areas. The primary suite is a sanctuary with high ceilings and a fantastic private bath. Indulge in the spa-like experience of a rain shower surrounded by marble tiles and complemented by a stylish double vanity. The other bedrooms are generously sized, providing comfort and flexibility for your lifestyle. Like the rest of the home, the second bath is entirely new and modern. Venture outside to discover the private backyard oasis with a fantastic screened-in pool featuring a tranquil water feature. The exterior has received a makeover with new paint and roof, ensuring durability and curb appeal. The entire yard is enclosed by a new fence, providing privacy and an excellent place for your 4-legged friend. Practical upgrades abound, including a new Wi-Fi irrigation system and a new Wi-Fi door opener for convenience. The enhanced garage offers extra storage and a stylish new speckle floor. Additionally, the home remains comfortable with a Trane HVAC. Strategically located near the 408 and 429, this home offers easy access to downtown Orlando, theme parks, and the airport, making it a perfect hub for work and play. This is not just a house, it's a testament to modern living, where every detail has been carefully